Cook and Travel with Smita. We are going to cook very yummy chicken momos today. This is delicious steamed chicken dumplings filled with juicy minced chicken. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of maida or refined flour in it, followed by salt. Mix well with enough water and knead the mixture into medium soft dough. Knead well and ensure that no lumps are formed. Oil brush and keep aside for about 20 minutes. Now take another mixing bowl and add half a cup of minced or finely chopped chicken. Add finely chopped spring onion and coriander leaves. Now add quarter cup finely chopped onion. Then add sliced ginger, garlic and green chilli. Add some chopped capsicum. Add some carrots. Now add 1 tablespoon soy sauce and salt as per taste. Now add 1 tablespoon pepper powder. Finally add the butter. Mix well and combine everything together. Now take the prepared dough and roll out small balls out of it. Using a rolling pin, flatten the balls into thin round shape. All the sheets are ready for the filling. Take one sheet and place some stuffing on it. For the first pattern, pinch the edge of this sheet like this and start gathering pleats and move along the edges till you make all the pleat and twist the end together to join and make a small circle. For the second pattern, start by pinching one side and press it down, pick the sides and join them together. Press it again and repeat until you reach the end and secure the end pressing it and it's done. For the third pattern, start pinching from a side. Now make pleats on the side and stick with the other like this. Repeat it until you reach the end. Join both the ends. So here to show you, we have made all the momos and now we are going to steam this. You can take any kind of steamer. So this is a steam setup we are going to use. We are going to use this bamboo steamer. We have lined it with cabbage outer layer and placed all the momos. Grease some oil all over the momos. Now add 2 cups of water in the pressure cooker and place the bamboo steamer inside the pressure cooker. Cover the lid and cook for 2 whistles. Let the heat to release its own time and open the lid. Let's prepare white sauce for the combination. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add 1 tablespoon sliced capsicum and carrot. One tablespoon coriander leaves. Sprinkle some sugar to balance the taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder and pinch of chaat masala powder. Add around 1 tablespoon water and mix well. Now let's prepare simple and delicious red tomato chutney. Heat 2 cups of water in a pan and add 2 tomatoes into it. Also add 4 dry chilies, 7 garlic cloves, 1 medium-sized onion, add salt as per taste. Cook them for 8 to 9 minutes in a medium flame. Then strain the water and allow the tomatoes and red chilies to cool down. Peel off the tomato skin, grind or blend to a smooth paste without adding water. Finally, the chutney is ready to enjoy with the delicious momos. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.